Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're in need of legal assistance and wondering how to find a lawyer near you, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to make your search easier and more efficient. Let's get started. The first step in finding a lawyer near you is to determine your specific legal needs. Are you looking for a divorce attorney, a criminal defense lawyer, a personal injury attorney, or something else entirely? Knowing your legal issue will help you narrow down your search. Next, ask for recommendations from friends, family, and colleagues. Personal referrals can be incredibly valuable when searching for a lawyer. Someone you know may have had a positive experience with an attorney in your area. If you don't have personal recommendations, turn to online lawyer directories. Websites like Avu, Martindale Hubble, and FindLaw allow you to search for lawyers based on your location and legal needs. These directories often provide detailed profiles and reviews from previous clients. Check your local or state bar association's website. These organizations often have directories of licensed attorneys in your area. You can also find information about their areas of expertise and disciplinary history. Once you've identified a few potential lawyers, schedule initial consultations. Many lawyers offer free or low-cost consultations to discuss your case and determine if they're the right fit for you. This is an excellent opportunity to ask questions and gauge their expertise. During your consultations, consider the lawyer's experience and expertise. Ask about their track record in handling cases similar to yours. It's important to choose a lawyer who specializes in your specific legal issue. Don't forget to discuss fees and payment plans during your consultation. Different lawyers have different fee structures, so make sure you understand the costs involved and how payments will be handled. Before making your final decision, check references and online reviews. Reach out to previous clients if possible to get a sense of the lawyer's performance and professionalism. Lastly, trust your instincts. Choose a lawyer you feel comfortable with and confident in. Building a strong attorney-client relationship is essential for a successful legal outcome. Finding a lawyer near you doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps, you can make an informed decision and find the right legal representation for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.